It is a chemistry prelim paper of a reputed school. Let us look at question 1. Everybody knows question 1 in section A, compulsory and MCQ. We have to just write ABCD. The role of CuO and PbO in this experiment. Now, do you know what is happening? That ammonia is going to reduce this, correct? So if this is the reducing agent, these become the oxidizing agents, correct? So what is it? A option. Compound X when heated with CaOH twice gives a gas which turns red litmus blue, means alkaline, means it is ammonia. So your thinking step is going to be your ammonia will come with this package deal, which means I will have NH4 in one compound plus CaOH twice. Correct? So I will have this becoming an NH4OH, which is NH3H2O. Correct? So this will be an ammonium salt. A compound X with this, so this is your X and this is your Y. This is your thinking step. Okay? Now phenolphthalein pink, which means CCP, correct? So colorless in neutral becomes colorless in acidic but pink in alkali. So this will have to be either ammonium chloride or ammonium sulfate, correct? But it will have ammonium as the cation. Let us see the options. Which one it is?
B.
Option B.
Correct. The covalency of N in NH4. The covalency, how do we get that? Your nitrogen.
3 covalent and 1 coordinate.
Covalency is 3 coordinate. What did you say?
Ammonium will have 3 covalent and 1 coordinate bond, right?
Yeah. So covalency is, what is the definition of covalency?
Number of electrons shared
with the others, correct? So it will be N like this, H, 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 and this is this one will be donated, correct?
Ma'am, but the coordinate bond is for NH4Cl, right?
NH4 cation, no, it has become. That NH4 cation could be from NH4Cl also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. It is ammonium radical, no? So this will be given to H ion and that will become your like this, correct or no?
No, so 5, right? Will be 5, right?
Covalency will be 5. Read the definition. Read the definition.
Yes, ma'am. The number of electron pairs which an atom shares with one or more atoms of the same or different kind to achieve stable electronic.
Okay, so shared with the others. This is not shared. This is both are coming from the same atom. So how does it look like 5 to you? This is 1, 2,
3.
How did you see 5, Babu?
Ma'am, I think those 2 will also be shared.
These 2 electrons?
Yes, ma'am.
They are donated, Ray. Shared means one from here, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So both coming from the same is coordinate covalent. Which of the following has a double bond? P, this. It is C double bond C this way. Now this P equal to also looks like a double bond. So I was staring at it actually. What is this? This is CnH2n, correct?
H2n. Yes, ma'am.
So this also is alkene and this also is CnH2n. What is the alkene formula? CnH2n. So Q and R,
But there is no such option.
they have not given. Oh, 1 minute. They have said which of the following has a double bond?
Ma'am, but we are right.
A double bond. Now this is a double bond and a single bond. Oh, that's what they mean.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Q. Metal found in, so this will be 283 is aluminium.
Yes, ma'am.
Percentage
Yes,
of nitrogen in urea. You will have to find the
What is
molecular.
6.6?
You found it also, or you know it by heart?
No, ma'am. I think I solved this paper.
Okay. So tell me your steps. 14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14 plus 2, correct? 14 plus 2, 14 plus 2, that is 16, 16, 16. So that is 48 plus 12 is 60. So the molecular weight is 60. Nitrogen, how many nitrogens are here? 2. So that is 28. So into 100. No need to write the statements here. 2 3s and 2 goes 14. So 140 upon 3. How much did you get? 3 4s 12. 46.66.
46.6.
Did you say the same number, Papa? I can't remember.
Yes, ma'am. 46.6.
Okay. Assertion. In contact process means SO2 becoming SO3. Generally not directly dissolved in water to obtain sulfuric acid because of dense fog. So this is
Dense
true.
fog.
And dense fog of misty droplets are formed, which is difficult. Both of them are true and the correct explanation. So A. Select the correct option. Organic acids are
False.
and conk this a strong mineral acid is true.
True.
So this is false and this is true.
Option D.
So
Option D.
D, only Q is correct. P and Q are correct. Q is correct. No. Okay. Yeah, correct. Option D is correct. ZnOH twice is soluble in excess NOH. Why? Because of the Na2ZnO2. Where is Na2ZnO2?
Option B.
Because this complex salt is a sodium compound. Sodium compounds are soluble in water. CH3OH plus Na will give me CH3ONa. Correct? And this H will be liberated. What is that?
Option A.
By the way, what is the name of this? Oh my goodness, organic chemistry. This is ethoxy group, okay? Just telling you dash or dash is oxy group, alkoxy group, okay? If it is CH3O, then this is alk and this is oxygen. So this is methoxy, okay?
Sodium.
And if I have to take the general name, then it becomes alkoxy group. Alk is for the alkane. So if it was C2H5-O, it becomes ethoxy group. If it is sodium here, it becomes sodium methoxide. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If it is K over here, it will become potassium methoxide. If it is CH3 here, then methyl methoxide. If over here is C2H5, ethoxy, ethyl ethoxide. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to tell you all these things because I don't trust them anymore now. You know, it's like once bitten, twice shy. And tomorrow, if the paper is not difficult, don't make stupid mistakes, okay? Just double check.
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
easy है तो Double check, double check, double check. See, after getting the preparation for the most difficult paper, if suddenly easy paper comes, you are going to go for a toss and silly mistakes will happen. Check and double check. Okay. Reddish brown metal, which is reddish brown metal? Copper, is extracted from the compound AbS2.
I might check it. Iron.
AbS2 by roasting, followed by reddish brown metal is iron.
No.
I mean, just
The rust is reddish brown, right?
Ma'am, there is one more option. Like, if you scroll.
AbS2. Okay. A, B, and S2. So it's a sulfide. By roasting, it will have to have copper, no? Let us see the other option. The last option is not seen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it can't be iron. It can't be iron. Now from this, from the compound AbS2 by roasting, followed by reduction, find the metal. Metal will have to be copper and copper. And AbS2 means A, B, and S2. Can you see that? Here is only
Yes.
one metal. Understood? Okay, so these are also little bit hatke type of questions. The group which has 0 electron affinity will be noble gases.
Group 18.
Sagar, sugar solution. What am I reading? Sugar solution does not conduct electricity, only molecules.
does not form ions.
Yeah,
It has high molecular mass, no. Crystalline, soluble in water, no. Does not form ion is correct.
True.
It is
D.
not polar covalent
C.
compound.
Option
So
C.
it is C. Number of moles in these many molecules of water
0.5.
is equal to. Now here, remember, you are going to say 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Number of moles. This will be 1 mole. But it is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23. Means it is half of it, no? Can you see that?
Yes.
So this also will become half mole, means 0.5 mole.
0.5.
Option B. Option B.
Hydrogen chloride collected by, it goes down, air goes out. Upward displacement
Upward
of
displacement of air.
air. This is breather compared to the earlier paper. Diagram. What is this? Hall-Herold's process.
Hall-Herold's process.
Is it Hall-Herold's process? Can you see this tap hole?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This is going to be the cathode. And these are going to be the anodes.
Yes, ma'am.
And we are going to have over here oxygen going, making that carbon into CO plus CO2, correct? And the anodes
Yes,
will
ma'am.
have to be continuously replaced. There would be the layer of powder coke here.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, it's coming to you. So looking at it, all that you have learned should come to you, okay? Name the method of extraction. What is the method of electrolytic, correct?
Electrolysis.
Electrolysis.
Write the composition of the electrolyte used in the process, the 3 compounds that are there with alumina and cryolite, and along with the ratio. Now ratio is by weight or volume?
Yes.
By weight. If you do not know, check just now. Take out the page and just see. 1:3:1. Is it volume or
Yes.
weight? Reaction at cathode and anode. Reaction at cathode. Before that, you have to have Al2O3 dissociates into what? 2Al3 plus plus CO2 minus. So your cathode reaction is going to be, tell me,
2Al3 plus
3 plus.
electron.
Please write also so that your
The 6 electrons gives
finger
you
muscles
Al.
will get trained. Okay, this is ions,
ions,
and these are atoms.
atoms.
Then we come to the anode. What will you write over there? 3O, 2 minus
Minus gives
6
minus
electrons
6
gives
electrons,
3O,
gaseous oxygen,
and then
which gives
3O
3O2.
plus 3O will give us what? 3O2, correct? So we finish with that also. Everybody knows these by heart. Do you know also by heart? First you have to look at the dissociation, and then you have to take the cation and ion. Dissociation, you have no problem, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a problem.
No,
Okay. Powdered coke sprinkled over learning work.
yes, ma'am.
Anode has to be replaced. Again, learning work, I just now told you they're important. Now let us look at the match the following. Acid salt will have H in it. Okay, so black is soluble, no soluble in hot water. Potassium, can you see?
Yes.
Acid salt. So A is 5. MnO2 is oxidizing agent, it is black in color. Where is black?
The
Unoxidizing.
first option.
Lead chloride soluble in hot water. Where is it?
4.
Also remember, lead chloride are, please make a note of it, they are needle shaped crystals. They are needle shaped crystals, okay? Where is it? In preparation of salts, those diagrams which are cancelled, no? PbCl2 has been prepared, can you see that? Precipitation method, please go to your textbook. Go to your textbook. Page 53. Page 53, don't hide your book from me. Page 53,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it there?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it written over there, needle shaped crystals?
Yes, ma'am.
So in case they ask, in case we have a khadus paper, then we should know how to handle. What is silver chloride? What is the full description of silver chloride? Curdy white PPT, which is insoluble in dilute HNO3 but soluble in excess of
Soluble in
NH4OH.
excess
So
of
it will be
NH4.
3. Lead oxide is going to be
Buff yellow.
buff yellow, sticks to the glass, stains glass.
Stains the
Yellow,
glass.
anything could be kept over here. Okay, so now you know we are ready for the worst paper. Chemistry, come on. We are ready to receive you. Alright? Larger number of carbon compounds are due to their not allotropy but
Catenation.
catenation. Process of manufacture of nitric acid is
Oswald.
called Oswald's
Oswald's
process.
process.
The ore of zinc is hematite.
Calamine.
It is calamine. Calamine is ZnCO3. And what is hematite?
Fe2O3.
Fe2O3.
So this is the iron compound. By mistake, instead of underlining this in a hurry, I did the opposite. Please double check. Okay. Copper, when treated with cold and dilute nitric acid,
NO.
liberates.
NO.
It will be NO. If it was NO2, what they would have changed? Hot and calm.
Hot and concentrated.
Empirical formula of this: C2H4O2. So it will be what?
CH2O.
H2 and C1H2 and O. CH2O. State whether the ratio of mass of certain volume. The moment they bring in volume, remember vapor density could be there. To the same volume of hydrogen means it's going to be vapor density.
Vapor density.
So A is vapor density, B is 2 metal plates of wires through which the conductor enters and leaves. Electrodes. C is the process which converts ethene to ethane. Now ethene means C double bond C. It's going to become, yes, you're right. It is going to become like this.
Catalytic hydrogenation.
So the process will be hydrogenation, but you will say catalytic hydrogenation into bracket addition reaction. Write that also. Member of the halogen family means FClBrI. That exhibits a solid state will be iodine. If it was liquid here, it would have been bromine, correct? Oxide which forms salt when treated with acids as well as bases is amphoteric.
Amphoteric.
IUPAC names. What is this? 1, 2, 3.
Propanol.
Propanol.
Wrong.
Propan 1.
Prop N dash 1 all. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a but.
But2-ine.
But2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pent and single bond
2
2
chloro.
chloro.
2-chloropentane.
Draw the structural diagram. Ethanol. Eth is 2 carbon. Aldehyde means CH also double bond O single bond H. And this will be CH3. And then you have to write the name over here, ethanol. Formic acid is hooch backwards. Okay, so HCOOH. So H single bond C. Now remember the structure of single bond. COOH means C double bond O single bond OH. This is your COOH. And you have to write the name of it. What is the IUPAC name? 1 carbon means meth.
Methanoic acid.
Array? 1 second, what is it?
Methanoic
Methanoic acid. No, formic is the common name, no?
Yes.
What was this ethanol? What would have been the name of it? Common name. Don't like it, right?
Ethyl alcohol.
Okay, let us see ethanol. Once again, look over here. Please pay attention. Did we agree with this? What is this? This is an aldehyde, correct? Now remember, an aldehyde comes from the acid. So the acid would be CH3 and C double bond O single bond OH. Understanding? What is this? This is oic acid. 1, 2 carbon means it is ethanoic acid. So this becomes ethanol. This much is clear to everyone.
Yes,
IUPAC is easy, but common name is acetic acid. Isn't it CH3COOH? Look over there. Isn't it CH3COOH? So what is the
Yes,
common
ma'am.
name? It is acetaldehyde. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is H-COOH, the name is formic acid, or it will be methanoic acid, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when this becomes H-C double bond O single bond H, it has become an aldehyde, correct?
Aldehyde. Yes, ma'am.
So this will be methanol. Understanding? Common
Yes, ma'am.
name for this is formic acid.
Formaldehyde.
Huh. So from formic acid we will get which one? For formic
Formaldehyde.
acid will be obtained from formaldehyde. Okay, I had told you
Yes.
that there were some reactions which are not there in your syllabus. You have methane with oxidation becomes methanol, becomes methanol, and then it becomes methanoic acid. This is the chain. Okay, meth. If it is eth, then ethane to ethanol to ethanol to ethanoic acid. Understanding? Alkane to alkanol to alkanal to alkanoic acid. Understanding? Now the name of the aldehyde comes from which acid it forms. If it is forming formic acid, then the aldehyde is formaldehyde. If it is making ethanoic acid, means it will be acetic acid,
Acetic acid.
then it will be acetaldehyde. Understanding? Okay.
Yes.
In half an hour we finish the section A. This looks like a time pass paper, but doesn't matter. Let us see how much we can get. If we have easy paper, we have to make sure that we don't make any mistakes. The volume of air, 20% oxygen, will be required to burn completely 10 centimeter cubes of methane and acetylene each. So you will make 2 columns and write CH4, make sure there are 2 lines above, plus 2 CO2 gives CO2 plus 2 H2O.
Ma'am, it's plus 2 O2, not 2 CO2.
Thank you. Yeah, double vision, no? I saw 2 of these. Thank you. So 2C2H2 plus 5O2 gives 4CO2 plus 2H2O. Agreeable to you? Now these are 10 centimeter cube. This is also 10 centimeter cube. So 1 volume is to 2 volume gives us 1 volume is to 2 volume, and here it will be, tell me, 2 volume is to 5 volume gives
5 volume.
4 volume is to 2 volume, and this is all by Gay-Lussac's law. So 1 volume is 10, so what you'll write, 1 into 10 centimeter cube is to 2 into 10 centimeter cube gives 1 into 10 centimeter cube is to 2 into 10 centimeter cube, and here it will be 5 will be each volume, so 2 into 5 centimeter cube is to 5 into 5 centimeter cube, and
4
here it
into
will
5 centimeter cube.
very good,
2 into 5 centimeter cube.
very good. Are you with me so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now they are saying how much air. So to begin with, I have to know volume of O2 required. Will be here 2 into 10, which is 20 centimeter cube, and here it will be 5 into 5, which means 25 centimeter cube. Therefore, total volume of O2, how much it is, tell me?
20 centimeter cube plus 25 centimeter cube equal to 45 centimeter cube.
Very good. But they want air. So what should we say? 20% of air is equal to the volume of O2, correct? So 20 upon 100 into X is equal to 45.
45.
So this will be 2 ones and 2 5s. So X will be equal to 5 into this will be 225
centimeter cube.
And you'll say this is volume of air.
Air.
How is it? Good enough?
Yes.
Okay, so understood this part, when 20% of the air is oxygen and all, they will ask, okay, if they say it is at room temperature, this water, you will say that it's not applicable. Okay, you have to write that. Now this is the manufacturing process of a gas. Which gas does it look like to you? Purification pipe, compression,
Ammonia.
cooling, this thing, catalytic chamber, cooling chamber, and liquid we are collecting it as a liquid. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So liquid means this is ammonia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your A, B, and C? A will be ammonia means nitrogen. If you write N2, what will you get?
0.
Ma'am, what if
Hydrogen.
A as hydrogen and B as nitrogen?
What is C? Now, if you write nitrogen first, normally A comes before B and we write N2 plus H2. We don't write H2 plus N2, no? So I think that will work.
Yes.
What is the ratio of A's to B? Is it 1:3?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Which is your A is to B, which is 1:3. Correct? Write the equation. There are 4 conditions. What are the conditions? Catalyst, finely divided ion, promoter, molybdenum, temperature 450 to 500, and pressure 200 to 900 atmosphere. How is the product separated from the unreacted?
Liquefaction and dissolving in water.
Correct. And the reason you will have to mention over there, since ammonia easily liquefiable, whereas the other 2 components are not. Okay, if we talk about the liquefaction. Identify cation. This is your practical chemistry. Ammonium hydroxide means we are talking about cation. Remember, for cation they will ask us for NaOH or NH4OH or the flame test. Okay, these are the normal choices they will give you. Alright, when added to the solution, B gives a white precipitate which does not dissolve in excess. Does not dissolve means not soluble. Now in ammonia, ammonium hydroxide, the one that will dissolve is Cu2 plus and Zn2 plus.
Zn2 plus.
Okay, these are the ones which are soluble. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, even AG, right?
AG is when I put AgNO3, I'll get AgOH. Okay, AgOH. Correct or no? Now, ammonium hydroxide dissolves AgCl, not AgOH. See, if I take the salt with NH4OH or NaOH, will I take AgOH? Is this KNa or NH4? It is a solid, no? A solid will give me a PPT with this.
No, ma'am.
Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So NH4OH, not just Ag but silver chloride. It is the test for silver chloride, okay? What is the full description of silver chloride? Tell me fast.
Ma'am, it is soluble in excess of NH4.
No, you don't start with the solubility as the entire description. You have to start with the color. Come on, tell me. Start with the color fast.
The pearly white precipitate is formed which is soluble in excess
Which is
of
insoluble in dilute HNO3 and soluble in NH4OH. You are missing the order. You are putting NH4OH first. That's why you got confused. First the color, then dilute HNO3, it is insoluble, and then solubility in NH4OH. That's why you got confused when it is AgCl. You applied that with AgOH because you only remembered Ag. Please stick to that order. What is the first? Color. What is the second one? Insoluble in dilute HNO3, and the third one is what?
NH4OH.
Soluble in excess.
Yes, ma'am.
Because here it's insoluble, here it's soluble, and you tell me only NH4OH. That means you give me only half the information, you're not giving me this. Don't become kacha papad. Okay? Pura information is there na in your brain?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. So you have to supply that correct information to your brain so that your brain can take the decision. Okay? Oh, so ammonium. Okay, so where were we? Solution when added to solution B gives white PPT, gives white precipitate which does not dissolve in. Okay, does not means ammonia means it is Pb2 plus. Because if it is Zn2 plus, it will be white, but it will be soluble. So Pb will be insoluble.
It could be Mg also.
Huh?
Could be
Mg,
Yeah.
yeah, but the thing is that Mg is dull white, no? So
Yes.
dull white, huh? Or dirty white, they will put specifically. PV is also okay. Nobody's going to cut your mark for that. Okay, PB is the cation, no?
Yes.
All right. If you wish to, you will say PB2 plus and then write over there chalky white and insol in excess. And it could be right over there, or then you can say Mg, which is 2 plus, and this will be again insol. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Sodium hydroxide when added to solution C, it gives pale blue. That means it will be Cu2 plus, which is insoluble. So confirm that it is Cu2 plus. Now when it is copper, what I told you to write, we wrote this way. But in the exam, what did I tell you? I told you to write like this, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Copper 2 plus.
This is how you will write, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
and this will be your lead 2 plus. Balance equation of lead carbonate to lead sulfate. Now lead carbonate PbCO3, write like this first and write like this. Okay, then this is, remember, carbonate, so it is insol, and this one is also going to be insol, therefore it will have to be a precipitate, correct? If it's a precipitate, I have to make this into PbNO3 twice, correct? Understanding? So what will be my step A? Number one step is PbCO3.
PbCO3 plus HNO3 dilute.
Huh. Now those who do not know how to react this,
Plus H2O plus.
huh. Now Pb will come from here. So for NO3 you will write the nitric acid but dilute. Okay, so you will get like this, correct?
Yes.
And that is how you will get your PbNO3 twice. Oh, PbNO3 I have already written. I repeated it, sorry. So this is HNO3 dilute, and I will get what? 2 here, so plus H2O
H2O plus
CO2. Okay, and the second reaction will be, I will take that PbNO3 twice,
PbNO3 plus
and I will
Na2
take SO4, I will take sodium compound, remember, Na2SO4, and that will
gives
become
PbSO4 down arrow.
PbSO4 down arrow plus 2 NaNO3. Okay, so that is how.
PbNO3 twice and not 2 PbNO3 twice. In the second reaction.
What is it that you want?
Ma'am, the 2 PbNO3, it's only PbNO3. Yes. Oh. Yes, ma'am.
There should have been the gap, no, there, or the bracket. So now you see when I wrote 2 and that dot you couldn't see, Okay, and I wrote like this. You thought it was 2 pb. Make sure that you don't make a mistake like that. If you put 2 the second, then make sure that you put a bracket so it doesn't look like 2 pb. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
understood in the presentation, because you didn't mean it that way, but it happened. Definitions are okay. Learn all the definitions.
Yes, ma'am.
Electron dot diagrams are okay.
Yes.
Complete and balance the reactions. What is it? This is warm water,
Matrix.
and what you have to remember is HOH. So
HOH.
3 mg
M3MgOH3
OH twice,
twice.
which means 6 OHs, so it will be 6 H2O.
1632. Plus
You learned
12.
it that way also. Okay, smart. Okay, what about this? Chatrikuna plus NaOH, decarboxylation reaction, correct?
Decarboxylation reaction.
So
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
it? Na2CO3
Na2CO3 plus CH4.
plus CH4.
And CA on
And
the
catalyst will be
And this will be
and
CaO and heat.
and heat.
And you have to write here soda line.
Soda line.
This again, now how many times we are
Preparation
doing
of
this?
Ethane.
Yeah, so CaOH twice. I'm fed up of writing the
twice,
structure. Are you learning this by heart now?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be C2H2.
C2H2.
But there are 2 of these, okay? 2H2O. HOH happens. A decreasing order of reactivity. So you have, correct or no, you have to write this. Everybody knows this by heart. So Al, K, Mg and Ca. Decreasing order means from highest to lowest. So what it will be, tell me.
K, CA, MG, AL.
Ips, P, no re. K.
Sorry.
K.
K, then
KCA.
CA,
Then
MG, AL.
MgAl.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-metallic character. What is this? Betty's. Okay, so if you write the periodic table order,
Barium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen.
correct? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
nitrogen is here, beryllium is here, oxygen is here, carbon is here. Increasing non-metallic will be like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be
B, E, C, N, O.
very good. P, Si, F and Be. Decreasing order of valence electrons. So
F,
P is having
P.
5, Si is 4, F is 7, little Betty means 2. Decreasing order means
PSI.
starting from P, then Si, then no. How
F,
it is P?
SIB.
It is F first. Okay, then P, then Si, and then okay, calculate the following. How is the calculation of the following? So far we finished how many questions in section 2? 2 questions. Okay, 2 questions we finished in approximately 15 minutes, which is good. Let us go fast. Number of oxygen atoms and moles. So you are going to have mole and atoms, correct? If it is 1 mole, how many atoms? Oxygen atoms. Remember, they are saying oxygen atoms, they are not talking about
And we'll have to find
1
the
minute, a number of in point, this thing. So 1 mole is having how many oxygen atom over here?
13.
Atoms of oxygen are going to be here 3 and 10. So there are 13.
30.
We don't need to find the mass here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
0.1 will be equal to 1.3. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But atoms of oxygen in 1 mole will be, there are how many molecules, tell me? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
it will be 13 into 6.
6.023 to 10 to the power.
So here it will be 1.3 into, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you'll write the answer statement, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of gram atoms in so many grams of sodium. So GAM of sodium, I'm writing Na, but you have to write sodium, is 23 gram, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
gram atom formula is mass of substance upon GAM, which is equal to 4.6 upon 23. That will be 0.2 gram atoms. What happens if you forget the formula? If you forget the formula, just telling you a trick. GAM of Na is 23 gram is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, 1 gram atom of Na is 23 gram. Did you understand? This is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
meaning. So if it is 4.6 gram, then X. Understanding how to do.
Yes, ma'am.
In case you forget the formula, remember your brain zindabad. Your brain is alive and brain is thinking. Do not panic, brain will not think. Okay? If you panic, just say a small prayer. Volume occupied by 320 grams of sulfur dioxide. So we are going to start with one, this is mass. So I will need the GMM.
GM.
Anytime they supply the mass, what you need?
GM.
The mass means GMM or GAM, okay? 32 plus 16 is 32.
60.
64.
Now this is mass and we have the volume. 1 mole means 64 grams. Then volume at STP becomes, tell me?
22.4 liters.
22.4 liters.
Very good. So if it is 320,
320 grams will be X.
now this is how many times? 5 times, no? So this will be 5 times. You can handle that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a 1 mark question. Name the main metals used in the making. Salt is PB and
Lead.
lead and
Lead and copper.
how lead and copper?
No, ma'am. For the brass, from brass, I was saying.
Salt is what? Lead and
EB and
Lead
N.
and SN.
now they are telling you main metal. Now solder, this is 50%, 50%. That's the problem.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll have to mention both,
So, ma'am,
no?
you can write both.
Both I'll have to write. Lead and tin 50%, 50%. In brass, which one is more? Copper is
Copper.
more.
Copper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you look at bronze, which are more? It is copper, Zn
Copper.
and Sn.
Zn and SN.
Now here they ask you which are the 2 main constituents. Go alloys, look at the percentages. Is copper and
Copper
zinc?
and tin.
It is
Yes.
copper and tin, remember. This is where lots of children get confused. Alright?
Yes,
We come to sulfuric acid and nitric acid using barium chloride solution. And ethene action of bromine. Correct? So differentiate between, you will have to make
Barium
the,
nitrate which
this question is repeated from when? No, I think it is from competency, I'm sure.
Yes, ma'am.
So sulfuric acid is H2SO4 dilute, and here it will be
HNO3 dilute.
HNO3 dilute, and they say use barium chloride. So write over the test what you'll say: add BaCl2 solution to each, correct? Now Ba will become BaSO4, so it will be white PPT. So what you'll say: if white PPT of BaSO4 formed, which is insoluble, you can
dilute HCl.
Can you see what I'm doing? I'm telling the examiner quietly give me my mark, correct? Insoluble in dilute HCl. Actually all mineral acids, but the test says dilute HCl. Then it is the test for SO4 2 minus.
SO4 2 minus.
Underline this and underline this and underline white PPT. In the exam, will you please write PPT or precipitate?
Precipitate.
And therefore you will say dilute H2SO4 present. For HNO3, this is BaCl2, BaNO3 twice. So there will be no PPT. If no, double underline that no and single underline white PPT, then dilute HNO3 present. Will I write over here therefore nitrate present?
No.
Because this is not the test for nitrate radical. Which is the test for nitrate radical?
Brown ring test.
Correct. Now ethane and ethene, which one is having double bond or triple bond? This one.
Ethane.
So action of bromine,
Bubble
what will you
gas
write?
through bromine and CCl
Very good.
solution.
What is the test? Well said. Bubble each gas through
Bromine in CCl for
Bromine in
solution.
CCl4 solution.
bromine solution in CCl4. Okay, not what you said just now, okay? Not bromine in this thing. And then you will have ethane and ethene. If no brown color discharge, then ethane present.
Ethane present.
If reddish
brown
brown
color
color of bromine discharge,
Bromine then ethene.
then ethene present. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now in this, supposing they say they add, let us say, one part differentiate and the second part. They will say give the end product where chemical change occurred. If they ask you like that, then what you'll say? Will ethane be reacting with bromine or ethene?
Ethane.
So what will happen to the bond?
It will change into single bond.
You said it, you didn't say double bond to single bond. It means what? Triple bond to double bond?
Double bond to single bond.
Don't give partial information, okay?
Yes.
Be very careful. Ethene means double bond, it's going to become single bond. So the end product, give end product. What is the end product going to be? Tell me.
Bromoethane.
1,1-dibromoethane. Did you see how I got a 0 here now?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you didn't write this? Tell me, girl. Such a pearl. What will happen over here? Tell me. What has happened? I asked you what is the
Double bond
product.
changes to single bond.
Huh? Can you see that? This is the reaction. They will even ask you for the reaction. They can ask. You said only bromoethane. Bromoethane matlab this will be H, no? Then am I right? So you have to be careful. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Give end product. Supposing this was ethyne and they wanted the end product, then it would have been 2 steps. So Br here, Br here, Br here, Br here, correct? What is the name of this?
2, 2 tetrabromoethanes.
Correct. On the other hand, if it was ethyne and they tell you the first product, if they tell you the first product, then it would be C double bond C and Br and Br. What is the name?
1,2 dibromoethene.
Correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So understood now IUPAC names also how they can attach it themselves in this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this we've done at least for the 3rd or 4th paper we are doing this.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm not going to do that. Okay. The other papers have got the same question repeated. One observation. Kong sulfuric
Black
acid,
spongy
just now I put the
salts are
shots,
color.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
And steam is evolved.
Then burning ammonia in excess oxygen, ammonia burns with greenish yellow
Greenish
flame.
yellow flame.
Greenish yellow flame.
Remember, burning of ammonia and catalytic oxidation, both reactions are important for observations also. Gas produced by addition of an acid to iron sulfide. Won't it be this?
H2S.
It is passed through acidified potassium dichromate. Oh, they asked. What you will say? Orange
Orange to green.
K2Cr2O7 turns green with, I told you this in the morning only, with
Yellow sulfur.
Yellow.
yellow
sulfur
deposits of sulfur. Now remember H2S becomes S. How does it become? By removal of hydrogen, which is equal to addition of oxygen, means it is oxidation.
Oxidation.
So what is this? This is oxidized product. Correct?
Yes.
What is this? This
Reduced
has got oxidized. H2S got oxidized. So H2S is a
reduced product.
Reducing agent.
Reducing agent, sorry.
it got oxidized, no?
Yes, ma'am.
When it got oxidized, it is the reducing agent which gets oxidized.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, it got rid of this H2O and that H was supplied to something else, reducing it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It supplied this H to something else. So it helped in reduction, means addition of hydrogen there, understanding?
Yes,
That's why
ma'am.
it's a reducing agent. Be very careful, pause, think properly. Give reason, this, because of the particles or the molecules are held by weak van der
Van
Waals,
der
correct?
Waals.
Van der Waals.
Forces, you remember that. Alkali metals are good reducing agents since they lose electron easily and get oxidized Correct or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are just discussing this now. Let us see percentage composition. Name the organic compound. Okay. Percentage composition we have been given. Empirical formula is to be done. So let us quickly do this because calculations are looking a little irritating. 1, 2, 3. The first column is the element. We have the percentage. Then we
Atomic.
have the
Atomic weight.
then we have the
Relative
relative
number
number
of
of atoms,
Then
and then
simplest.
we have the simple whole
Simple
number
ratio.
ratio. Everybody knows by heart.
Yes, ma'am.
So element, this is PB, leave one line N, leave one line O. Percentage 62.5%, 8.5%, 29.0%. The atomic mass, it is 207, this is 14, this is 16. Relative number of atoms is going to be percentage 62.5 upon 207 equal to 8.5 upon 14 equal to, and 29 upon 16 equal to. And then we have your simple ratio. We will need 3 calculations. So just make sure, now normally your space to write will be from here up to something like this, actually speaking. Okay, so you have space up to here. Start from here, keep this for your working. All right, make the columns. Make sure that you are carrying the rulers and pencil. Don't say, oops, I forgot the ruler. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so 207 and here 62.5. So can I make it 625 and make 1 0 here? Okay, so 0 point and I'll take 1 0 here. 2,076,000. 7 3 is 21. I think 3 times it would go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
0, 7 3 is 21, 2 and 3 2 6. How much are we getting here? 40. So I'll take 1 0 and it will go 0 times. Then again 4,000 means approximately it will go 2 times. So it will be 0.302. Okay, let us look at 140 is going to divide 85. So 0 point and I'll take this. 6 is 84, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Remain 10. So take again 0. It will go 0 times and this. So 1000, 14 to 28, how much? 5 times? 14, 5, 700, no? No, 8s. 8s, no, ho raha hai?
Not 7.
Is it 7
Yes,
times?
7.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
7 times 84. No, 7 times 98.
980.
Yeah, 980, sorry. 7 times, okay?
Yes,
And the last one here is 16 is dividing 29. 16 ones 16. Remain 13.
1.8.
It is 8. How many times? 128, no? 81. Okay, so this is 0.607 and this is 1.81. So you are going to just showing you one trick. This will be the least 0.302, which will go once, which is good. 0.607 upon 0.302. So here it will be 1.81 upon 0.302. Now don't look at this part. This will go twice. Understanding?
Twice. Yes, ma'am.
Don't look at this, and 1.8 upon 0.3 will go 6 times.
6 times.
Understanding how to get this? Don't show the actual calculation and don't waste a time actually dividing by 0.302. Understood? It's a
Yes, ma'am.
simple whole number ratio. Then what you will say? Empirical formula. Did they ask you to find empirical formula? So it is PB N2
O6.
O6. This is the empirical formula. If they were to tell you molecular formula, what would have said? Molecular formula, I would have found N.
Molecular
Mostly
weight
your
upon
N.
formula weight.
Now if they had to ask you molecular formula, your N, when they supply vapor density and all, would have come out to be 1 only. So molecular formula still would be PB N2 and O6, but we don't write it like that, no? It is double of NO3. Can you see that? Understood how they would have done it? Not fair for such a this thing, they've given only 2 marks. But empirical formula will be 2 marks. Molecular formula normally comes out to be for 3 marks. Name the
Now we
organ.
have to find percentage composition.
We have to find percentage where?
Empirical formula.
With percentage composition reaction.
Find the empirical formula of the compound with the percentage composition, colon, this. Am I going to get this back again? This is the percentage composition is given, and now they say find the empirical formula, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't again find percentage
Okay,
composition.
yes,
Hello, don't do that, huh?
I
You'll
got
waste
confused,
time.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Don't do that, okay? Okay. Name the organic compound which is used as the solvent for paints and varnishes is alcohol,
Yes, ma'am.
ethanol, methanol. Quickly check. Would I write alcohol? Would I write methanol? Would I write ethanol? Found it?
Yes, ma'am. Ethanol.
Correct. Glacial acetic acid, what is it? Organic compound.
Acetic acid.
I know this is silly. Glacial
Ma'am, will
acetic.
we write anhydrous acetic acid?
I think we should write anhydrous. That looks like ice and called as glacial. Anhydrous is better. Artificial.
Ma'am, will we write
E3.
IUPAC?
Yeah. Write into bracket the
Ma'am, we
IUPAC
could
name
write
also.
Pure acetic acid, right?
What does it say in the book? Come on, quickly check.
Ma'am, it
Ma'am, in
says
the book says pure, then in the definition it is saying anhydrous.
So pure anhydrous दोनों निकालो ना वही पे. You'll use both of these words. What is the harm in writing all the words that are there? है ना? Used for artificial ripening is ethene or ethyne, both. Okay. Now this is practical chemistry. Practical chemistry. W, X, Y, Z undergo reactions. Identify the anion. AgNO3 added to W. White precipitate of Ag will be AgCl, which is insoluble in dilute nitric acid. Therefore, it will be Cl1 minus present, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, you will write over there chloride. Spell it out. I'm not spelling it out, but you have to mention like this, okay? Do not do any shortcuts after that rubbish physics paper that you all have had. Make sure that your chemistry and bio marks also are improving, okay? Addition of HCl to X produces gas which turns lead acetate paper silvery black, means sulfide 2 minus, correct? Because that gas is H2S. H2S will come only if there is a sulfide ion present as an anion. You will have to spell it out.
Yes,
Freshly prepared this just now. I made the short snow to solution of Y and gently poured from the side. Brown ring means it is nitrate. So it will be NO3 2 minus, yes. H2S is added to Z. A gas is produced which turns acidified this from orange to green. So orange to green, I will write it as sulfite. Lots of these people, they don't make the distinction between sulfide and sulfite, because if it is SO2, it will turn from orange to clear green. They should mention orange to clear green. They are not mentioning it. How is this? How is this? 63 grams of HNO3. Correct? And they are saying mass equal to question mark. And volume of NO. Only 2 questions are there. What will we need first? This you will write as 3 into 64 gram. HNO3, leave one line, and what you'll say, GMM. Of what?
HNO3.
Will be 1 plus 14 plus 16 threes. Isn't it 63 already? But in the equation it is 8 into 63. Did you understand that?
yes,
Now, never mind this. We are not going to look at all this. We'll go straight for. So it will be 2 moles. That means volume is how much? 1 mole means 22.4. So 2 into 22.4 liters at STP, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let us look at our first mass of copper. So known is which one? This HNO3. So we'll say mass of HNO3, and what do we need? Mass of copper. From the equation means bottom numbers. Mass of HNO3, how much do you see? 8 into
8 into 63 grams.
gram. And mass of copper is
3 into 64 grams.
64 grams.
very good. So if it is 63, then X. And what is my X? Mass of copper equal to X equal to numbers across multiply means 63 into 3 into 64 upon 8 into 63.
It's 24 grams.
24 grams.
This is, put it in a box and write over there answer A. Okay, then we come to B.
How did we get 64 gram of copper?
Huh?
Did we get 64 grams of 3 into 64 grams of copper?
Oh, 8 into 3, so 24. You want to know why this?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this, Atomic mass, copper is 64. Can you see through this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
I got
3
it
into
now. I didn't
64,
see
now
it.
understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, volume of nitric at the same time. Again, what is given? Mass of HNO3, and here it will be volume of NO NO only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
At STP, correct? From the equation, what do you see the bottom numbers?
8 into 63 grams.
And here, what did we write?
22.4
2
liters.
into 22.4 liters. So if it is 63,
63 grams, then X.
so what you'll say, volume of NO will be equal to numbers
X will be
across multiply equal to X equal to, tell me, 63 into
63 into 2 into 22.4 upon 8 into 63.
what is easier to cancel? 63, 63. 2 ones and 2 fours.
X equal to
4
5.6
ones and
liters.
5
5.6 liters.
5.6 liters.
at STP. How was it? Good, bad, or ugly?
Good, ma'am. Good.
Getting marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
An atom X has 3 electrons more than the noble gas configuration. 3 electrons more. Noble gas, if it is 2, 8, then this one has 2, 8, 3.
2,83.
That means it is in group 3A
Yes, ma'am.
or 13. What type of ion it will form? It is a metal, so it will form a cation.
Cation.
Write the formula of its sulfate. So if it is X and it will be 3 plus. If sulfate, this we
SO4
did
will be
in
2
9th
minus.
standard so many times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
H2SO4 whole
thrice.
thrice.
Okay, of course you will write over the sulfate. B is bicarbonate.
B is nitrate.
Oh, B is nitrate. B is nitrate. Thank you, Vibhu. Nitrate is X
X
3 minus and
3.
NO3 1 minus. This is,
X
sorry,
will be 3 plus.
X.
that will be X
X NO3 whole thrice.
NO3 whole thrice. What is C? Phosphate.
Phosphate.
For the phosphate, what will you say?
X will
X
be 3
is
plus.
3 plus.
PO4 will be 3 minus.
Very good. Crisscross करके what will get?
X PO4.
PO4. If possible, make your X like this, okay? Don't let it look
Yes.
like wrong. D, bicarbonate is HCO3,
HCO3
1 minus.
1 minus.
So X is 3 plus
X is 3
plus HCO3 1 minus. That will give me
X HCO3 whole thrice.
HCO3 thrice. Hydroxide. For hydroxide, what it will be? X3 plus and OH 1 minus. So hydroxide would be X OH thrice. You're with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Electron dot diagram for the formation of hydronium ion.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you just learn this? I have told you, you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
just know this by heart. Middle of the night they should ask you, you should be able to provide. Is this the last question?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope so. Okay. M is the metal above hydrogen, means it is active metal, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Its oxide has the formula M2O. So my M2O is telling me this is 2 minus. So this will be 1 plus.
1 plus.
The oxide, when dissolved in water, forms the corresponding hydroxide. So between M and O, metal and non-metal, It will be ionic bond.
Ionic bond.
State the number of electrons in the outermost shell of M. It will be 1 electron because 1 plus valency. The group will be group
1A.
1A.
1A or 1, correct? D. Give the balanced chemical equation for a hydroxide from M2O. Now, if I have M2O, I want a hydroxide. Won't I react with water? Tell me.
Yes,
Why? Because
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is an active metal, right?
Yes,
So it is going to split into H and OH. Can you see that? So this will be one OH and this will be another OH. Correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
M is valency
OH.
1, so it will be MOH, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
There are, no, 1 minute. M2O, there are 2 of these and there are, so 2 MOH, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
2 OHs and 2 Ms. Okay? There are 4 questions and 2 marks, half mark each. What is this? Some preparation of acid. Which acid this must be? It's definitely not ammonia acid.
HCl.
HCl. Very good. So if it is HCl, because this kind of thing is for ammonia also, no? But ammonia
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
an acid, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in the above diagram, name the acid prepared by this method.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Very good. Name the reactants used.
NaCl.
Sodium chloride.
Rock salt.
NaCl,
And
no,
concentrated
but you
sulfuric
have to
acid.
write like this. You write NaCl, you will
Yes.
get 0. What you will say? Rock salt.
Sodium
Sodium.
chloride.
Rock salt.
And
chloride.
concentrated
And
sulfuric acid.
concentrated
Sulfuric
sulfuric.
acid.
Don't write H2SO4. What is the drying agent here? Kong sulfuric
Kong
acid.
sulfuric.
Reason, since
Sulfuric
it is a
Non-volatile.
Non-volatile.
no.
It will not
It reacts with quicklime
1
and
minute. In the reactant, you used
it will
H2SO4
not react with the
because it is non-volatile. But here it is because it is a hygroscopic substance. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Why would I
Yes,
use non-volatile for drying? What's drying got to do with non-volatile? Drying means absorb moisture, right? Volatile
Yes,
means absorb moisture. See those 6 properties of H2SO4. Please learn them up and corresponding equations also you have to know. State the role of inverted funnel. Number 1, prevents back suction and
prevents back suction and provides a large
increases
capacity
the
for
area
absorption.
for dissolution. Then we have balanced chemical equations. Iron pyrite. What is
4
iron pyrite?
FeS2. FeS2.
FeS2.
4 FeS2 plus 11 O2. On heating
You know
gives
it by heart,
2Fe2.
no?
Because of the contact process, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. Very good. How many of you know it by heart? Say not me. मालूम है. Now how you have to remember this? Supposing for whatever reason the examiner near you starts eating nice aromatic samosas and
Yes,
you
ma'am,
get
happened with me.
disturbed. Happens or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And please, before you go to your examination, take a chota sa Cadbury or chocolate. It will kill your appetite. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't have hunger
Ma'am,
pangs
one boy
affecting
was
you.
eating in the examination, ma'am.
Oh no.
Ma'am, they eat in front of us.
I know.
Ma'am, my invigilator, she does the ting 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 with her cup when she's mixing the sugar in her chai every time.
So it disturbs, right? Okay, now
Yes,
I'm saying
ma'am.
that there are distractions like this because otherwise there's pin drop silence, right? But if your school is hospitable, and offers them chai and samosas or nice rava cake, mawa cake, I don't know what all, and you get the aroma, you may get disturbed. So if you forgot this by heart how it was, then what you have to remember, this oxygen is even number, this is odd number, make this even. Understood? First step. This is your step number 1. Write it over there. Now how many Fe's do you see? 4. So that is your step number 2. Now Fe is balanced. Put curly whirly here and curly whirly here. Go slow. How many S's do you see?
8.
So it will become 8. So my S also is balanced. I'm putting a dot under that. Now how many oxygens do you see? 8 to 16. 16 and 6? 22. Did you understand? In case you are disturbed because of whatever reason. Understood how to handle it?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, no matter what, your brain will always be there with you. You cannot go with the empty head. Brain will always be there with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Use your brain because you have learnt so much throughout the year. It will recall. Think. I have taught you how to think. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So SO2 becomes SO3. So SO2 plus O2.
Plus O2,
Reversible arrow.
reaction.
V2 of 5, 450
V2
Very
by
good.
450
Vanadium
to
pentoxide
500
and how
degrees.
much? 450 to 500 and 1 to 2 atmosphere. And it will
Gives
become 2
2SO3
SO3
plus
up
45
arrow plus how
kilocalories.
much heat? 45.5 kilocalories. I told you to remember all of these by heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there are 2 S's, so I'll write this. Is my oxygen balanced? Yes, it is balanced. Sulfur trioxide to oleum. SO3
3 plus H2SO4 gives
H2SO4.
Wrong.
Gives,
You did not mention conch.
Calm H2SO4.
gives H2S2O7.
And then this is your C, this is your B, this is your A. And last is oleum. Remember this again, the other exam also we wrote this.
That was the
Gives 2 H2SO4.
What did I tell you to write over here? Requisite amount of soft water and of desired concentration. Do not ignore this, okay? Half mark each. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Ma'am, one last question is there.
Daughter structures of pentane. You know what? I didn't read this. I was wondering where's the question. So silly. Okay. So isomers of pentane. So you will have first one is.
And pentane.
Now remember, you have from here up to here will be the space. Okay. So N-pentane. Don't write two big diagrams. Okay. And then we'll have this one like this. It will have 4 carbons and 1 carbon will attach itself here. Correct?
2-methyl propane.
And here it will be 3 carbons. This will be earlier CH3 and this one will go and attach itself here.
2,2-dimethyl propane.
You have to write all these H's without them interfering with each other. Did you see there is enough spacing?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see enough spacing I have kept here? Okay, just make sure that this is properly written. This will be your pentane.
Pentane.
This one is your butane, but 2-methyl.
2-methyl butane.
Very good. And here it will be
2,2-dimethyl propane.
Propane.
dimethyl, and this means it is means propane. Is it making sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is your 3 marks, and we have finished the paper, and we can say Hello, exam, board exam, come and get us, okay?